Hey there. Have you ever had a particularly frustrating day? Some days where it just seems like everything goes wrong and you get kind of frustrated? Well, a lot of times I think it's a good idea to exercise when you feel that way, because exercise relieves stress, right? Everybody knows that. You exercise a little bit, you feel better. And one good way, like when I do my videos, a lot of times I do punches and kicks and that kind of thing because it relieves stress, I believe. I do happen to have my own lovely, I love it, my own lovely punching bag here. It's a Century Versys vs.1, and it's really good because I can actually move it. It's only 180 pounds, so I can actually slide it and put it in the back of the room and bring it forward when I need to, and you can have some fun with it. So let's do a little routine. I thought it might be fun if you have one. If not, you can do all these things in the air. Now, a good idea when you punch is to try and think about your form. I always like to have 1 foot forward, 1 foot back to help protect my lower back. I find that to be a good idea. And think about keeping your chest out and your shoulders back and down. And I have these nice little punching gloves, so I can just kind of go to town, starting to warm up, getting some frustration out on this bag here, because it can take it. And you can work on your speed. You could go for 30 seconds and then rest. And you can just work on your speed a little. That feels good. All right, and then you can always do some kicks as well. I don't know Taekwondo. I learned for a very short time, but I know a roundhouse kick. All right, so nice little roundhouse kick. Feels good. Good. That was 4 on that side. Let's make it even. Oops. Don't break the house. And there we go. Spread's going to break something there. And then it gets a little bit lopsided. You have to sometimes turn a little bit. The base gets a little bit uneven, especially when your kid lays down on that stuff. All right. And then you can grab the top and go to town. Really trying to make a nice impact. One side and then the other. Good. And you can even do a punch, a dodge, punch, dodge. Or you can do a punch and stop. I like to do that. So you can punch it as hard as you want. Stop with the other hand. Hey, my friend, this one goes out to Natural Bodybuilding Moron. Shout out to them. Good luck, everybody. Check them out. And switch sides. Not as strong on my left as my right, it feels like. But gotta work both sides. Right? I think if I was in a situation where I had to punch, like most people, you punch with your dominant hand, right? So, but it's good to work both. Try and get power from both sides. Try and get those stress out. Enjoy it. And do a little kick and a little punch. So not as good at aim with my left side either. Okay, let's switch sides. A little punch, a little kick, a little punch, kick, punch, kick, punch, kick, punch, and then let's just go to town on a little bit. Come here, you. Slide forward a little bit. Easier to grab it from the bottom. This is so nice because you can move this around your house and fit it in small spaces, right? Or around your studio, like I have. See if you can punch it down, right? I'm sure most guys can. Whew. My kicks kind of knock it down when I'm trying real hard. Right now I'm gonna punch it down to the floor. Enjoy myself over here. They can do fun things like axe kicks. I believe they called it. Sounds like axe, like a chopping axe. Right? Not the other word. Up and down. Oops. Maybe I should go from this side. Alright. So it's up, down. And you can do both sides with that one too. Trying to hit it with the heel. Right? So that's my fun punching bag. Hope you enjoyed that. Please do enjoy it even without a punching bag. You could just punch the air. You can still get your workout in, still get that energy out and your frustrations out. Thank you so much for checking it out. Oh yeah, please do like, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you find value, and check out these other ones around here for some other more fun things that you can do to exercise and good mindset and all that stuff. Thank you so much. Check the links below. Leave me a comment. Have a great day.